absolutely blown my mind. Like, honestly, the technology in here is something which I've never seen anywhere else. Whether it's using your wands, which any excuse to, and you can like change the walls and things like. See what I just did? And then, but even things like the sound quality is going to sound really geeky, but it's that sharp. It's like nothing you've ever heard before. It's mind blowing.
Is it working?
Yeah, that was it. There you go. I just did that. Easy. You've got to have the right technique though. Alright, well, okay. Yeah, try again. I'll tell you what, look, there's one up here. Because there's so much like immersion when you're here. Certainly a few of the rooms, like where we are now, is just like one of the film sets. You know, you've got the lights from above, you've got everything from around you. And the same with quite a few of the other rooms as well, like the room requirements and things like that. So the guys are going to really enjoy being part of the Potter experience.